Morning. There we go. Fit check. Wait. Oh. Can you see that? Whatever. My phone's terrible. All right, let's go grab some breakfast. Holy cow! It's like a dead frog. This is a bad idea. Trap the next guy. Holy cow, bro! I'm actually cooked. Bingo. Let's go get some shoes on. Wow, this phone is actually terrible. You literally can't see anything. It is dark, but not this dark, bro. Feels like it was just yesterday we were kids, running around in your yard out on N61. All the memories we made in the house growing up, gotta miss it. Would give anything just to be there again. What's life without you? I don't wanna know. Goodbye, I'm not ready to say it, so oh, just act like you hear, call your phone. Oh, leave your voicemail and then text. Yeah, to call me back later is fine. Well, that better hold me over till 2 o'clock when I get off, because otherwise I'm going to be cooked. And then after the gym, I'm going to be hungry today. But hey, it's worth it. It's worth it, right, guys? Alright, I have secured the goods. I finally got off. Holy cow. Well, there we go. Grilled nuggies. Hopefully there's some sauce in there. Sweet. Alright. Well, today was a little out the wazoo, you know? Lunch was a little crazy, but hey, we made it, and I'm very, very hungry and very glad to be off right now, so. And then we get to go to the gym, which should be fun. Bro, I got some new scars today. I don't know if you can see that. Y'all can't see that. So that's hopefully gonna scar up nicely. But man, this has become my default go-to meal for my break. Because I bring breakfast on my actual break, like y'all saw. Dude, the macros are kind of tough. That's spicy. Gosh. But bro, grilled nuggets with buffalo sauce, or I mean, ideally, holy cow. Ideally, you wouldn't have any sauce because it's calories, but buffalo sauce is not very many calories at all. And it tastes amazing. So, worth it, in my opinion. But yeah, I'm excited for the workout today. I'm getting pumped up for it. And I'm also very excited to go to bed later tonight. Glad to be off. Alright, I'm ready to head out to the gym. Today is chest day, so do some push, some bench, lots of fun stuff like that. As well, I don't know if my brother's gonna join us or not, but my brother-in-law. I texted him, so hopefully he'll be on his way. Sorry, it's a little bit chaotic, but chest day. And then we'll be hitting some cardio like crazy afterwards. So, see you guys there.
When I die, put my ashes in the trash bag. I don't care where they go. Don't waste your money on my gravestone. I'm more concerned about my soul. Everybody's gonna die. Don't everybody live though? Sometimes I look up to the sky and wonder, do you see us down here? Oh Lord, oh Lord, do you see us down here? Oh Lord, oh Lord, do you see us down here? Oh Lord, oh Lord, do you see us down here? Oh Lord, oh Lord. Listen, yeah, everybody wants change. Don't nobody wanna change though. Don't nobody wanna pray till they got something to pray for. Now everybody's gonna die, but don't everybody live though. Sometimes I look up to the sky and wonder, do you see us down here? Oh Lord, do you blame God, but harder to fix things. We look in the sky like, why ain't you listening? Watching the news in our living rooms on the big screens and talking about if God's really real, then where is he? You see, the same God that we're saying might not even exist becomes real to us, but only when we're dying in bed. When you're healthy, it's like we don't really care for him then. Leave me alone, God, I'll call you when I need you again. Which is funny, everyone will sleep in the pews and blame God for our problems like he's sleeping on you. We turn our backs on him, what do you expect him to do? It's hard to answer prayers when nobody's praying to you. I look around at this world we walk on, it's a smack in the face, don't ever tell me there's no God. And if there isn't, then what are we here for? And what are y'all doing down there? I don't know, Lord. Do you see it? Oh, Lord, do you see us down here? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, do you see us down here? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, do you see us down here? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Do you see us down here? Oh, Lord. Can you see us down here? Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord.
Cardio time. Yeah.
I feel like I'm at a standstill, waiting for you to tell me I'm okay. If time heals, tell me why do I kill myself, trying to show you I'm not a mistake. I've got qualities that I'm not proud of. I've made promises that I walked out on. I've had days I feel I don't deserve love. So think what you think, just don't call me up. Mistake, might have made some, can't argue with that, but I ain't one. Even I sometimes get afraid of having to face the wrath of an anxious me. I get it cause I actually feel the same. Sometimes I think I might be a lost cause who turns off cause the way I read into what I've been through. You think I'm mental, but it pays off though. When the rinse through, I pursue what I love. And if it goes south and falls down, just know I'll stand on my own 2 feet. Don't you see those that oppose on me? Most won't leave thinking I might retreat. Show my teeth quick if you turn on me, cause I feel like I'm at a standstill, waiting for you to tell me I'm okay. If time heals, tell me why do I kill myself, trying to show you I'm not a mistake. I've got qualities that I'm not proud of. I've made promises that I walked out on. I've had days I feel I don't deserve love. So think what you think, just don't call me up.
Well, this is boring. I'm just gonna keep walking until I get to 2 miles. So, I'll be here in 5 more minutes. Alright, post-workout summary. Holy cow, that's bright. Dude, today was not it. I'm feeling super weak and super tired during all of my actual workout part. Barely getting in reps I'm normally able to get easily. Well, whatever. Feeling really tired, if you couldn't tell. But then low-key, hitting the treadmill, I mean, it was hard, of course, but like, it made me feel good about the rest of the workout because that's the hardest I've ever pushed on treadmill before. Never done, maybe I have, but like, that was a lot more than I don't have a normal yet because I've only done this a couple times, but setting that as a benchmark is going to be kind of crazy to see if I can keep this up. But yeah, low-key, I mean, I imagine this is going to help with the cut. I don't know what else effect it would have. Seems like that's the only logical thing. I mean, it'll burn more calories and stuff, but I think it'll take a lot of patience and time to see those results. So let's get home, take a shower, and get some food, brother. Let's get tomorrow's meal prep going. We're gonna want that tomorrow. and not have to worry about making it at 4 a.m. All right. Beautiful. $255 grams of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Oh, can I get the lid on? There we go. Some 0 calorie sweetener. And then we'll toss that in there. And now we're gonna make our post-workout meal, which is gonna be, excuse me, an egg white smoothie, which it's probably, I don't want to know how much egg whites cost, but it's kind of expensive, but worth it. Let's see here. Hershey Zero sweetener, 100% cacao, unsweet cacao. It's not even chocolate powder. Then way too many Truvia packets for sweetener because it tastes. I have acclimated myself to the taste of Truvia. I used to hate it when I was younger, but now it's low-key kind of worth it because it's like, would I rather have it without the Truvia? Is it bad enough? It's not just because I'm not going to eat sugar, so it's, do I like it without any sweetener at all, or do I like it with a weird sweetener? And for most things, the answer is I like it with a weird sweetener. Bro, I made barbecue sauce the other day with Truvia as a sweetener. It was a little questionable, but it was better than expected. We'll put it that way. I don't know how to say that nice as possible. Sorry, this angle is probably terrible and you can't see anything, but oh, that's why you have my melodious voice. Nah, bro, I'm cooked. The worst part about making this smoothie is opening all the Truvia packets. I'm gonna be so for real. All right, throw that away. And now we literally just take, okay, I don't know if I recommend this or not, but what I've been doing, since I eat so few calories, I don't track fruits, because even if they are still calories, even if it's a couple hundred calories, that's still way below maintenance, and plenty enough to be cutting. So low-key, I would probably be not eating enough calories if I didn't eat the fruits that I don't track. So I'll have some berries in the morning, a lot of berries in my smoothie, and then maybe like I just had a small mandarin orange or whatever, and like for some energy, low-key. And then we do a whole carton of egg white. Y'all gotta see this. This is nasty. Hold up. Look at that. Where's some light? Holy cow. Look at the color of this. Does that not just like scream delicious? Okay, low-key need some more berries. 1 second. Why am I so autistic? I mean, why am I special? Alright, let's see if this actually blends well. I might have put too many blueberries in, but too many bloopers. Well, yeah, I'm gonna have to finesse that to get it to blend nicely. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I'll see what I have for dinner when that rolls around in 20 minutes. Oh gosh, I'm so late. Bro, holy cow, is this good. So much volume, so hopefully it'll keep me full. And like, not a ton of calories. I mean, it's a lot of calories, but not actually that much. Since I'm literally only tracking the calories from the egg white and not the berries, for my thing, it works perfectly fine. All right, gang, I forgot to film it, but for dinner I had some salad with chopped up deli turkey meat in there for protein. Here's the macros. And now I'm having some yogurt before bed, because I'm lucky still hungry. Don't tell anyone. Shh. And then I'm going to bed, and it's like not even 7 o'clock. So yeah, and then we do it again tomorrow. Yay! Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe. Sorry, David and Justice, this probably isn't the kind of video you wanted me to post, but I mean, you can tell me to delete it and I will. So bye, guys.